We have done the algebra. So we are just going to be do the queries from algebra. We have just one topic is going to be left, that is simple, the non-linear linear equations. All right. We have question number 4, two positive numbers which have a difference of 3. So let's say we have a positive number is x and r squared. So the difference is in the result is 81. Find the two numbers. So no, queries is just queries means obviously means you are going to be asked the question, so that's why I'm going to be take as queries. Queries is not a topic.
Okay, sir.
Nothing, no, it's good. All right. So we have a question number 4. Now in the very first line, he says that the two positive numbers which have a difference of 3. Now let's say we have a number is numbers are x and y. And he says that which have a difference of 3 means x minus y is get equal to 3. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in the second one, r squared, the difference in the result is r squared and the difference in the result is 81. So you have to square them and the difference is going to be 81. Yes, Sujay?
Sir, how do we know we have to put minus or plus in it?
Obviously, he says that the difference. So we have to take the difference. For example, if we have two positive numbers, I'm going to be take any positive numbers. I'm not sure what they are. One is going to be the x1 and second is going to be the y1. All right. So I have to take the difference is going to be 3. I have to subtract them. For you are saying that we are able to take x plus y. So obviously when he's saying about the difference, so we are mostly going to be take for minus. The same, it is same as, for example, he says that you have to find a consecutive numbers. So what you have to do, you have to take the first value will be x and the second value will be x plus 1. Because you can also take as x minus 1. But obviously when you are going to make the equation, you are getting the wrong answers. Okay. So we have two numbers. I'm not sure which is the bigger one, which is the smaller one. It is totally unknown. So I just assume that it is the bigger one, it is the smaller one. You have to take the difference. It must be 3. All right. The difference is 3, obviously not the sum. If you are saying that x plus y is equal to 3, obviously that is totally wrong. We have to take the difference of that. Difference means the bigger value minus smaller value. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to get the two equations, so we have to solve it. We did not done it yet how we can solve this type of equation. Uh, we have another way to do this one. It is the one way you have to solve it. The second way, he says that the two positive numbers which have a difference of 3. For example, the one number is going to be, let number is equal to x. All right. So what will be the second number? Yes, what will be the second number?
X squared.
Y.
Which have a difference of 3.
X plus 3.
Have to take x plus 3, the next value that you have to say. We can take it like this. Now he says that the difference is going to be 3. In the next part, he says that r squared. So we have to square the numbers. We have to square the first one and we have to square the second number and is equal to 81. The difference is going to be equal to 81. So we have to square the number first square. You have to square the second number. The difference is equal to 81. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
We have a
Yes, sir.
one we have to take x, second I have to take x plus 3, the whole square. So we are just going to be simplify them. It will be x square minus as it is. It will be x square plus
9.
x, sorry, 6x 2a b plus b square bracket close is equal to 81. Now we have x square minus x square. 2 times 3 is 6x minus 9. I have to multiply the minus sign inside the bracket as well as I have to simplify it. Plus x square minus x square will be cancelled out. It will be 81. Now I'm going to be get
Sir, would we take 9 to the other side?
yes, I have to take the on the other side, but I'm getting the different thing.
Sir, outside is minus, so the x square inside will be positive, right?
No, 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 no.
Open the bracket.
Oh, this is the bigger value. Obviously, x plus 3 is going to be the bigger one, and x will be the smaller one. We have to subtract this value from this one, not from this to this. All right, that's music. Because I'm getting a negative answer, that's why I just assume that I think we have to do some mistake. 1 second. It will be x square. I have to be subtracted here. I need to take it here because x plus 3 is the bigger value. I have to subtract from bigger minus to bigger minus smaller. All right. Yes, everyone. It is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Just do a small mistake. I did not subtract the values from bigger to smaller. I have to do this subtraction from smaller to bigger. All right. Now let's simplify. It will be x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus x squared is equal to 81. It will be cancelled out. It will be 6x is equal to 81 minus 9. So x is equal to 81 minus 9 will be 72. So 72 divided by 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So you will get the one number that will be 12. All right. Now you have to find the second number. So second number will be x plus 3. That will be 12 plus 3. So it will be 15. So we have the number 12 and 15. When you are going to be take the difference, you are getting 3. And when you are going to be taking the difference in the square, yeah, the result is going to be 81. Yes, it is clear.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have to make this equation in terms of x and y. We can solve it by this way as well, but obviously we don't know how to solve one linear and one quadratic. That's why I have to stop here because we did not learn it yet. All right, now I have to take the second question. We have the question number 5. Take it down. Mhm. Just- All right. The area of the shape is equal to 74 centimeters square. Find the perimeter of the shape. Okay, in this one, we just have to do a small simplification. So for example, if you are going to make a line here or here, so you are going to get the two rectangles, right? This is a rectangle 1, and it is rectangle 2. Yes, I want. The first step is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now look at here. It is x plus 2, it is 2. So we have the length and the width. But we don't know about this one. Now look at here. The whole is x plus 3. It is 2. So what will be this side? X plus 3 minus 2, that will be x plus 1. It is clear? I just subtract 2 from x plus 3. It is clear? So I will get x plus 1. Because the whole length is x plus 3. From x plus 3, I just subtract this 2. So you will get x plus 1. Yes, everyone, it is clear? Yes, Rania?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, so
Sir, when we add x plus 3 and x plus 2, then we get x plus 1?
no, obviously not. When we'll add x plus 1 and 2, it will be x plus 3. Because x plus 1 is just this line. X plus 2, this one. Just add them, you will get x plus 3. Okay?
Sir, how did we get x plus 1?
We just have to be subtract because this bigger length is x plus 3, right? From this x plus 3, I'm going to be subtract this 2. So x plus 3 minus 2, that will be x plus 1. So from the bigger length, I just subtract this small length. What you will get? The rest of the length. It is clear? You have
Yes.
Yes, sir.
x plus 3, and from x plus 3, you have to be minus out. So obviously, this is the only length that is going to be left. And how you can find it? Just subtract it from the just subtract from 2 from this the whole length. Now, after finding it, it is going to be easier. We have the length and the width. Now you have to use a one concept of the area of a the perimeter and the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. Yes, everyone, are you familiar with this formula?
Yes. Yes.
So we have to find the area of shape is equal to l- area of rectangle 1, area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. Now, area of the shape is given, that is 74. Area of rectangle 1 means length multiplied by width. So x plus 2 multiplied by 2 plus area of rectangle 2, the length multiplied by width, means x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 1. Yes, everyone, this step is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ayan, Shayan,
Yes, sir.
Mirza, Mirza Mian. All right. So we have 74, 2 multiplied by x is 2x, 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So we have expansion here, x times x plus 1 plus 5 times x plus 1. So 74 is equal to 2x plus 4 plus x square plus x plus 5x plus 5. So it will be x square as it is. 5x plus 2x, that will be 7x. 4 plus 5, that will be 9. plus 74 will become minus 74. So we'll get the equation x square plus 7x minus, yes, 74 minus 9, it will be
Sir, in the equation, there is one more x with 5x and 2x plus x.
oh, so it will be 8x. Then it will be 8x. Yes, 9 minus 74
minus 65.
Minus 65.
minus 65. All right, now we have to do the midterm breaking. So we have to find all the pairs. 1 multiplied by 65. 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15. We need a negative answer, and middle term is positive, means bigger term have a positive sign and smaller term have a negative sign. So obviously look at here, which is the pair when you are going to be multiply, you will get minus 64, and when you are going to be add them, you will get plus 8. Yes, which is the right pair?
Sir, the second one.
The second one, because minus 5 multiplied by plus 13 is minus 65, and when you are going to be add them, minus 5 plus 13, it will be minus 65. So we are going to be get the pair minus 5x plus 13x minus 65. Take x as a comma, it will be x minus 5 plus 13 as a comma, it will be x minus 13 times 5 is 65. So you will get x minus 5 into x plus 13. Yes, everyone, this step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 13 is equal to 0. We will get x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 13. Now obviously we are going to be talk about the x is a length, right? We are getting negative minus 13. So what we have to do, we are going to be neglect this answer. Why? Because the length can never be negative. All right, for example, if it is the height, so obviously I will never say that the height of this is going to be minus 2 or minus 5 like this. The length is always positive. So we have to take this value. So x will be 5. So it will be 5 plus 3, it will be 8. 5 plus 2, it will be, yes, 5 plus 2, it
7.
will be,
7.
once again I will change the color. Okay, 5 plus 2 will be 8, 5 plus 2 will be 7, 5 plus 1 will be 6, 5 plus 5 will be 10. It is already given, that is 2. Okay, it is 7, it is 10. Means the bigger length is 10. Subtract 1. So this length will be this, only this is 3. Clear? Now the question was, we have to find the perimeter. The perimeter means you have to take the sum of all the boundaries. Means 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
So perimeter will be equal to, let's say I have to start from this side. 7 plus, look at the values carefully, I will not miss anyone. 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8. Yes, find the sum. It is equal to,
Second.
So where is 3 come from? Oh, from there. Okay.
it is 3. Because the whole is 10, it is 7. So 10 minus 7,
Sir,
that will be,
36.
36.
it is going to be
Yes.
36. So the perimeter of this shape is 36. So basically, with the help of the area, we are able to find the value of x. And after this one, we have to do the perimeter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So the next more problem is the surface area of the cube is okay. It is from mensuration. We did not done it yet. You have to skip this one because it is from mensuration and we did not it yet. Now we have okay. Yeah, we can do this one because in this one we just have to use the rule of indices. All right. You know that if you have power of the power, we have to be multiply. We have done this rule. If you have x raised to power n and whole raised to power m, so the power of the power will be multiplied. So we are doing the same thing. It will be x multiplied by x minus 8 is going to be multiplied by x minus 10. And we can write as 8 as 2 raised to power 3. Yes, this step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now we
Yes,
have done
sir.
one more rule of the indices. If you have the same basis and there is an equality sign, so the power must be equal. If you have two numbers, they are equal with the same base. So the power must be equal. We have done these rules in the indices. For example, we have done the question, we have 2 raised to power 5 is equal to 2 raised to power x. So we can assume that, not assume, we can conclude that x is equal to 5. So same as the bases are same, we have the equality sign. So their power must be equal. It is clear? Up to here, what I have to use? I just use the rule of the indices. The first rule, the power of the power is going to multiply, so I have to multiply them. In the second rule, the bases are same, they are equal, so their power must be equal. All right, obviously, I will not be able to make a comparison here because the base is 2. Here, the base is 8. I won't be
Because
able to.
we can make it to the power 3.
Yes?
We can make it to the power 3, right?
Say it again. I did not get you.
We can make it to the power 3, right?
Now we have to make the x as a subject. I did not get you, Ibrahim. I think your voice is. There is a internet issue from my side. Everyone, yes, Yasir.
No, sir. It's from his
It was fine.
side.
Oh, all right. Sorry, Ibrahim. I did not get you. But I think you are saying that we have to multiply or simplify this fraction. So we have to take the first term and multiply with the next whole term. Just expand it. Minus 8 multiplied by x minus 10 is equal to 3. X multiplied by x will be x squared. X multiplied by minus 10, it will be minus 10x. Minus 8 multiplied by x will be minus 8x. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 10 is going to be minus 80 is equal to 3. Take the 3 on the other side. So it
Sir,
will be
won't
x.
it be plus 80?
Yeah, it will be plus 80. Very good. Thank you. Minus 18x plus 80 minus 3 is equal to 0. So I will get x squared minus 18x plus 77 is equal to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation. Obviously, you have multiple ways, but we are doing the worksheet of the midterm ranking, so we have to do it by the midterm. So we need a 77. So write all the pairs. 1 multiplied by 77, you will get 77. And then 7 multiplied by 11 will be 77. These are only the two pairs. We need a positive answer. The middle term is negative. Means all values are going to be negative because we know that negative multiplied by negative is going to be positive. Yes, Mirza Abhiyan. Can you please tell me which is the right pair?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me which is the right pair for the midterm breaking? -1, -77, or -7, -11?
-1, -11.
-1, -77?
No, -7, -7.
Yeah, -7 and -11. Because when you have to multiply, you will get +77, and when you are going to be add them, you will get positive -18. So x square -7x -11x plus 77 is equal to 0. X is common, you will get x -7. -11 is common, it will be x -7 is equal to 0. Now x -7 into x -11 is equal to 0. From here, I will get the value x is equal to 7 and x is equal to 11. So find the possible values of x. So we are getting two possible values of x. The one is going to be 7 and the second one is going to be 11. Yes, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the main trick? It is just you have to use the indices rule. That's it. All right. The next one, there are X apples in the crate. Four of the apples are red. Okay. There are X apples in a crate. Four apples are bad. Okay. Jenny choose two apples from the crate without replacement. Oh, it is a question from the probability, and we did not done it. Problem. The probability she select two bad apple is 1/11. So obviously here we take the help of the probability. We need to make the T diagram. So we are not able to do it right now. Yes, Fajar, there is any other one? So I have to skip the question number 8 because we do not done the
Sir,
probability.
no, sir.
Nothing. And I have to skip this one because in this one the mensuration is going to be. It is also we did not done the compound shape, but it is a simple one, so that's why I have to do. All right. So basically, when you are going to be see the word problems, the problem was I'm not going to be start the word problems when we have to do the only one topic. The problem was obviously when it is a word problem, there is a trigonometry, mensuration, probability, or different topics are going to be included. And obviously we have done only algebra till now. We did not done the shapes as well. We are not know how to break the compound shapes. All right. It is a simple one, so obviously maybe you are going to be understand it. But for example, it is a difficult one, so you are not able to break them. So any other questions up to here? Fajr.
No,
All right.
sir. That's all.
Now I'm going to be moved to the worksheet that mentioned the Ayan. Yes, Ayan, are you here?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is a worksheet, right? Question number 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, it's a huge list. All right, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These questions?
Yes, sir. In between, I get stuck. Like I'm confused in between.
They are the very simple one. Okay, I will give you the hint of all of them. Basically,
Maybe I
look at
just need revision.
the constants are here. You have mentioned the question number 14. In this one, you need to be one extra step. You have to take minus 18 on the other side. So x plus 2y is equal to 18 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. So it will be your equation 1, it is your equation 2. Now it's up to you. You want to do it by the substitution or you want to be do it by the elimination. It's up to you. All right.
Okay.
For substitution, you have to make x as a subject and you will get the value x is equal to 18 minus 2y. You have to substitute the value here. Let's see how to do this fraction one. Now in fraction one, basically you have to do one more extra step here as well. So I told you if you have an equation and you have a friction, you want to remove it. I told you a very simple step. Anyone knows what is the basic step to remove the fraction? Yes, Rania.
Sir, to multiply the denominator with the whole terms.
Not denominator. The LCMs of the denominator. You are right. We have to multiply it. Here you have a single denominator, so obviously we have to multiply the denominator. But basically, if for example, if you have anything here as well, you have 3 here, let's say you have 7 here. So what you have to do, you have to take the LCM of the denominator like this. All right, you know that? How to take the LCM? There is anyone who did not know how to take the LCM of the numbers? Yes, Shayan, Laika, Mirza Bian,
No, sir.
you know how to take the LCM?
Of course.
Sir, will you put like 3 and then first you'll take the 2 and then you like write uh, 1 on the side?
Yeah, I just take 3 and 7 just as an example. Okay, we don't have anything here.
Yeah.
So I'm just telling you the easiest way to remove the denominator is you have to take the LCM and multiply it with the whole term. Obviously, it is 1, so it will be 2. All right. So we are going to be multiply by 2 as well as it is same denominator. So we have to multiply by 2. So you will get here 2 times 2x plus 2 times 1 by 2y is equal to 2 times 1. So it will be 4x. 2 will be cancelled out. Y is equal to 2. You will get the first equation. In the same way, multiply 2 with the second equation. 2 multiplied by 3 by 2y is equal to 2 multiplied by 21. It will be cancelled out to be 12x minus 3y is equal to 42. That will be your second equation. Now you have these two equations. You have to be solved it. Let's I have to do one question. Yes, Ayan, you have to answer the question. Tell me from which method I have to do.
So substitution method.
Or just tell me, yeah, substitution is a suitable one. So I'm going to take the equation 1. It is 4x plus y is equal to 2. Yes, Laika, which variable is easier to make the subject?
X.
In
Or
this x,
Y.
yeah, y. Y is equal to plus 4x will become minus 4x. You will get a new equation that is 3. All right, substitute this value into the equation 2. Equation 2 is 12x minus 3y is equal to 42. And value of y is 2 minus 2x. So 12x minus 6 minus 9 minus is plus 3 times 2 is 6x is equal to 42. 12x plus 6x, it will be 18x minus 6 is equal to 42. So 18x is equal to 42 plus 6. Yes, 42 plus 6 will be
48.
48.
48 divided by 18. Yes, what is the final answer?
Sir, in decimals?
No, in simple fraction. Simplest form.
8/3.
8 divided by 3. Now we will get the value of x. Substitute this value in equation 3. You will get the value of y. So we have equation 3. Y is equal to 2 minus 2x. Substitute the value of x. So that will be 2 minus 2 into x is 8 divided by 3. So you will get y is equal to 2 minus 16 divided by 3. Now we have two fractions. We have to simplify. We need to take the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 1 will be 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 will be cancelled out. It will be 16. Now y is equal to 6 minus 16 will be minus 10 over 3. Yes, everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, the next one. Again, look at here, Ayan. The next one is exactly same. What we have to do?
We have to multiply both equations with 2.
Yeah, I am going to multiply equation 1 with 2 because the LCM is 2. In the second one, it is also 2. So that's why I'm going to multiply. So multiply by 2, it will be 2 will be cancelled out x. 2 times 2 is 4y. 2 times 16 is 32. In the same way, 2 times 2 is 4x. 2 will be cancelled out. You will get y. 2 multiplied by 19 will be. Yes, 2
Sir,
multiplied
in
by 19.
question number 15, I got x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 6.
Oh, and maybe I have done some mistake. Can you please send the picture?
Yes, sir.
I will verify the answer once again. If you are getting that answer, I have to multiply by 2. 4x plus y is equal to 2. It is going to be 12x minus 3y is equal to 42. Okay. Yes, please send the picture. I will check it. In today's class, I just try my best to do the questions first. I'm doing the mistakes. So we are the linear equations. We have 4 equal 1 equals 2. The second one 12 equal minus 3 equal 42.
Sir, I sent us the picture.
All right, 1 second. 2 and minus 6 is the right answer. One minute, having the I'm sorry. I have lost my pen. All right. Okay, so your answer is correct, Rania. Rani or Fajr. Your answer is correct. We have done some mistake. We have to check it again. From here, we are going to be make Yes, everyone, this is the mistake. We have it is 4x, so on the other side it will be minus 4x, not 2x. It will be minus 4x. It will be 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 minus is plus, 3 times 4 is 12x. It will be 24x. It is going to be 24. Yes, 24 divided by 48 will be. Yes, 48 divided by 24. It is 2. Yes, you are getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to 2 minus 2 into 2.
Sir,
Yeah,
4.
4. Minus 8 and y is equal to minus 6. All right, it is clear.
Yes,
I
sir.
am clear. Okay, so we have to multiply by 2. So 2 multiplied by 19. Yes, what it is? Yes, please 2 multiply by
Sir, 38.
38.
that will be 38. So it is equation 1 and it is equation 2. All right, Anjan, is now it is possible to solve. Now you can solve it.
Yes, sir.
It's up to you. Which method you are have to be prefer. You can do it by the substitution or elimination.
Sir, for elimination, can you show for the
For
elimination method?
elimination, you have to make the same coefficient with the opposite sign. So let's which variable you want to be eliminate?
Why?
You want to be eliminate y. So look at here, it is 4. We have to make this one negative 4. What we have to do? It is 1. I want to make it negative 1. Negative 4. How I can make it? Anyone? We have to multiply negative 4 with equation 2. Jan says that I want to be remove the y. So obviously, I told you for the elimination, the first step is we have the coefficient with their opposite sign. The coefficient of this one is 4, and the coefficient of this one is 1. I want to make it with a negative, obviously the opposite sign, it is positive, so I have to make it negative 4. So for that purpose, I'm going to multiply the whole equation with minus 4. The first step is clear? Yes, Rania, Muhammad Ibrahim, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So minus 4 multiplied by 4x plus y is equal to minus 4 multiplied by 38. Minus 4 multiplied by 4, that will be minus 16x minus 4y is equal to, yes, 4 multiplied by 38
Minus 152.
minus 152. It is the new equation. Yes, Arisha, what will be the next step? Yes, Rania.
Sir, we will add the both terms.
Yeah, we have to be add the equation 1 and 3. So we are going to be add equation 1 and equation 3. So it will be minus 16x minus 4y is equal to minus 152, and it will be x plus 4y is equal to 32. Plus 4y minus 4y will be cancelled out. minus 16 plus x, that will be minus 15x. Yes, minus 152 plus 32. It will be
Minus 120.
minus 130,
120.
120. Now, 15 is dividing, so on the other side it will be divide. Minus will be cancel out. Yes, how many times 15 you will get 120?
8.
8. So we will get x is equal to 8. Now we will get one numerical value. So we have to substitute in any equation. Let's say I have to use the equation 1. We have equation 1, x plus 4y is equal to 32. Value of x is 8 plus 4y is equal to 32. 4y is equal to 32 minus 8. It is plus 8, it will be minus. So 4y is equal to, yes, 32 minus 8 will be
24.
24. So 4 is multiplying, it will be divide. So it will be 6.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? Yes, I am.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, so we have done one question by the substitution method and we have done the other one by the elimination. The 17 is just a simple question. You have simple elimination. Yeah, in this one, look at here, you have to do it by the substitution because one variable is already subject. You don't need to be make the subject. Just substitute it into the equation 2. So it will be 2x minus value of y is x over 2 is equal to 1. Take, okay, I want to remove it. So I'm going to multiply 2 with each term, 2 multiplied by 2x minus 2 multiplied by x by 2, 2 multiplied by 1. It will be 4x minus x is equal to 2. So 4x minus x is 3x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 over 3. Yes, Rania, you are getting the same answer?
Sir.
Alright, so we will get the value of x. You want to find the value of y. We have equation 1, y is equal to x divided by 2. So y is equal to 2 divided by 3 divided by 2. It is same like this. You have a divided by b divided by c. It is basically, in other words, it will be a by b divided by c. What you have to do, you have to change the division sign to multiplication. It will be 1 by c. So in simple words, you have to say that b will be multiplied with the denominator. In the same way, 3 will be multiplied with the denominator. You will get 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. So 2 will be cancelled out. You will get y is equal to 1 divided by 3. This rule is clear? How I'm going to solve it? Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is dividing, so it will be multiplied with the denominator. That's it. Yes, Fajar, you are getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, everyone. Obviously, I will not upload the today's lecture on the YouTube. So, for example, if anyone need it,